The future doesn't need politicians. Jacque Fresco, vertical bar, automation, vertical bar, cybernation, vertical bar, AI. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning discovering that your country has no politicians, no elections, no political parties, no campaigns, no debates, no promises, no lobbying, no corruption scandals, no one asking for your vote. Would society collapse or would it function better than ever before? For most of human history, we've assumed that civilization needs rulers, kings, queens, presidents, prime ministers, parliaments, people making decisions on behalf of millions. But here's a question very few people ask. What if many of those decisions don't actually require politicians at all? Imagine managing an airport, thousands of flights, millions of passengers, changing weather, emergency situations. Would you trust political speeches or real-time data? Now imagine managing an entire city, electricity, water, transportation, food production, waste management, healthcare. These are not merely political questions. They're engineering questions, they're scientific questions, they're systems questions. Jacque Fresco believed humanity was trying to solve technical problems with political institutions. Politics often begins with opinion. Science begins with evidence. A bridge is collapsing. We don't vote on gravity. We ask engineers. If a disease spreads, we don't elect a virus. We ask doctors. So Fresco asked a provocative question. Why should resource management depend primarily on political ideology instead of scientific analysis? Imagine a city powered by millions of sensors. Every power grid monitored in real time. Every water reservoir continuously measured. Traffic patterns updated every second. Weather systems constantly analyzed. Artificial intelligence predicts demand before shortages occur. Food production adjusts automatically. Energy flows where it's needed most. Waste becomes raw material for new production. Not because politicians approve the bill, but because the system responds to reality itself. This is what Fresco called cybernation. A society where advanced automation and intelligent systems handle many routine decisions more efficiently than humans can. Think about it. Your smartphone already calculates the fastest route through traffic. It doesn't ask your political beliefs. Weather satellites don't care which party is in power. It doesn't negotiate with opinions. It simply processes reality. Now imagine extending that principle. Could transportation become largely automated? Perhaps. Could energy grids optimize themselves? Many already do. Could AI help reduce food waste? Very likely. Could intelligent systems improve disaster response? They're already beginning to. Technology is steadily taking over tasks that once required constant human management. But here's where the conversation becomes difficult. Does that mean politicians become unnecessary? Not so fast. AI can optimize traffic, but should it decide how a society balances privacy and security? AI can predict energy demand. Who decides what goals a society should pursue? Science can tell us what is. It cannot always tell us what ought to be. Values, ethics, rights, and justice involve human judgment. Even the smartest system reflects the priorities of the people who design it. An AI managing resources is only as fair as the values built into it. Perhaps Fresco's deepest point wasn't simply replace politicians with computers. Perhaps it was something more fundamental. Design systems that rely less on personalities and more on evidence. Reduce unnecessary political conflict by allowing objective problems to be solved objectively. The less time society spends arguing about facts, the more time it can spend discussing values. Imagine if political debates were no longer about whether bridges are safe, or whether water systems function, or whether traffic should flow efficiently.
What is this?
Those could become engineering questions, leaving humanity free to focus on bigger questions. How should we live? What kind of future do we want? How do we protect freedom?
Get to survive.
How do we create meaning? Technology may solve many external problems, but it cannot answer every human question. Perhaps the future doesn't need fewer humans.
Is this
It
some
needs
sort
humans
of wicked
doing what
game
only
show?
humans
What?
can do.
I have a soft spot
Creating,
for game shows.
questioning,
Tonight,
imagining,
we're going to
showing
play
compassion.
bomb toss. The rules
While
are
intelligent
easy.
systems
I'm going to
quietly
give
handle
you
the
a
repetitive
bomb.
work in the
Then
background.
simply go from
Whether
A to
Jacque
B
Fresco's
and put the
vision is
bomb in the
achievable
bomb container.
remains an open question. But perhaps his most important challenge still
Here,
stands.
give it a try.
Why
Toss
do
it
we
to each
keep
other a
asking
couple of
politics
times.
to solve
Feels
problems
good, doesn't it?
that science, engineering, and intelligent design may solve far more effectively? Because maybe the future isn't about replacing democracy with machines. Maybe it's about asking a deeper question. Which decisions require human wisdom, and which decisions should simply follow reality?